Deep cleaning on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Earl, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A complete and thorough deep cleaning service was carried out on the desktop PC to restore proper airflow, improve cooling efficiency, and ensure long-term system stability. Over time, dust, dirt, and other particles naturally accumulate inside the case, especially around cooling fans, heat sinks, vents, and power supply units. This buildup can obstruct airflow, increase internal temperatures, cause excessive fan noise, and in severe cases, lead to hardware damage or system instability. The cleaning process began with the safe shutdown and careful disassembly of the PC. The side panels were removed to gain access to all major internal components, including the processor, CPU, graphics card, GPU, motherboard, RAM modules, power supply unit, PSU, storage drives, and cooling systems. Using anti-static brushes, compressed air, and a low-suction vacuum, all dust and debris were carefully removed without causing any damage to sensitive electronics. Special attention was given to the cooling system. Fan blades were cleaned thoroughly to ensure smooth and quiet operation. Heatsink fins were cleared to restore maximum heat dissipation, and all ventilation pathways were freed from blockages to allow optimal airflow. The old thermal paste on the CPU was removed and replaced with a fresh application of high-quality thermal compound to improve heat transfer and lower operating temperatures. If a dedicated graphics card was present, its cooling assembly was also inspected and cleaned as needed. The power supply unit was cleaned externally and, where safe, internally to remove dust buildup that could hinder cooling and reduce efficiency. Dust filters, if installed, were washed or replaced to maintain proper intake and exhaust performance. Once cleaning was complete, the PC was reassembled with all components securely connected. The system was then powered on and tested under both idle and load conditions to monitor fan performance, temperature stability, and overall operation. Results showed a significant improvement in cooling efficiency, quieter fan operation, and stable performance under heavy workloads. This deep cleaning service not only restored the PC's optimal thermal performance, but also helped extend the life of its components, reduce the risk of overheating, and ensure reliable operation for daily tasks or intensive applications. Regular maintenance of this type is highly recommended to keep any desktop PC running at peak performance. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.